Hey guys, I want to show you a video about the Nerf gun collections I currently have. And yeah, so let's get started on this. Starting with this crossbow. This crossbow, it takes like 4 rounds, and how you could actually start the crossbow. It once you release the trigger, you fire, and this crossbow reminds me of Walking Dead, and it's pretty cool that there were zombie Nerf guns, and it's pretty cool. And yep, that's the Nerf gun I showed you. So, and here's another one, the revolver. This revolver takes 2 rounds, and just like a real revolver, you just pull this trigger from your thumb, and you shoot 1 round at a time, each gun. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It's like Rick's revolver from Walking Dead, and then this shot's 1 time. So yeah, these are just purple looking one-handed crossbows. Yeah, my mom owns those crossbows. Two-handed or one-handed crossbows are awesome, whichever your opinion is. And it takes 1 round, and it's pretty cool that you shoot these crossbows with 1 hand. It's pretty cool. And yeah, there's like 2 of the same ones. I mean, sure, it looks like glittery, but crossbows are cool. And here's another one of those Nerf pistols, and I have like 2 of those. I have the yellow one and the blue one. They both take 1 round. And oh dang. So about those 2 crossbows, you just pull the rope thingy till it loads. But anyways, we already done with that. So anyways, you just pull it once, and then the bullet flies. So yeah, this is another one of the purplish pistols. I know it's kind of like Rebel purple Nerf guns, but it's yeah, pistols are awesome. A lot of people play with Nerf guns, and yeah, it's just the same one as the other Nerf gun, but probably, I don't know. It also takes 1 round, and yeah, no matter which distance a Nerf gun goes, they're still awesome. And this is the Nerf Zombie Strike jeweled pistol, and as you can see, it has a scope on top, and it shows you the target, and then you might aim well too. So yeah, takes 1 round also. Yeah, guns with scopes, they're pretty awesome. I should have another Nerf war sometime. And 2 more. Oh yeah, this is like a this Nerf gun. Let's see, what is this one called? And Strike. And it's like pretty cool look, and this moves. Yeah. It has like some glow in the dark darts in it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And yeah, I actually had stuff like that too at my dad's, and I just had that one for a long time. So yeah, last one. Yeah, I'm not pretty sure why. Probably because my mom owns those, but here it is. Seems like it is a pirate gun. Yeah, and because of the chain on it. I mean, look at the key. There's like a key, the keyhole on the gun. Yeah, it's not a real keyhole on it. So, and it takes 1 round. Pull it from the bottom, and that's how it shoots. So, yeah, that's all the Nerf guns I have for right now. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and turn on my post notifications. If you want to see any more stuff I have, let me know, and post it in the comments. And I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.